Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a sandcastle. Let's start off by drawing a slightly wavy horizontal line for the sand. Then, draw a line that is slightly slanted to the right, followed by a horizontal line with 3 bumps on top, and a line that slightly slopes down to the other side to finish the tower. Repeat these steps on the right side, draw another tower, and connect the two with a wavy line like this for the wall. Above the wall, draw another tower but make it wider than the first two. To add more detail, we can add a scallop shell in front for the gate. To learn how to draw a scallop shell, you can follow the link in the description for our other video on how to draw seashells. For the windows, draw a tall oval on each of the towers and 3 for the middle tower. For the flags, draw a thin stick on the right tower, with some curves going to the side like this for a leaf. Don't forget to add some lines in the leaf for the veins. Repeat this step on the left tower and the middle tower. Lastly, to add a sandy texture, draw some dots around the sandcastle. You don't need to draw them everywhere, just a few groups of dots here and there will get the idea across. And now you've got a sandcastle.